Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2014 Ford F550 we have for sale. It is a four-wheel drive 6.8 liter V10. This truck's only got 28,000 original miles. It's probably one of the more unique trucks we've had. I've been doing this over 10 years now, and like I said, it's a very unique truck in that it is a mechanic's truck and a bucket truck. It's got a IMT Dominator service body, 5,000 pound hydraulic IMT crane. It has a hydraulic IMT CAS 40P air compressor, hydraulic outriggers, and then it has a Duralift bucket. That's a non-insulated bucket, 44-foot reach. It's a one-owner truck. It's rust-free. Just a very, very nice truck. I originally was thinking about taking the bucket off the truck and just selling it as a mechanic's truck. It's worth about the same either way, honestly, in my opinion. And I decided to leave it as is. If you wanted to purchase this truck and us take this bucket off, we could do that. Or you buy it and take it off and sell it. You know, there's no telling what you could get for that bucket. Or, you know, if you didn't need the crane and compressor, you could sell that. But there's probably a need. Somebody has a need for both somewhere out there, and they'll probably see this truck and buy it. Like I said, I've never had a bucket truck that had a crane on it, or a crane truck that had a bucket. You just don't see them out there. But anyways, let's take a walk around and look at it. I guess we'll just start up here in the front. Nice set of tires all the way around the truck. Cloth interior, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control. The truck, the bed, the bucket, they're all the same year this truck was made. With this bed, it's hitting a 06 model bed and crane. Seeing a lot of that, people swapping old beds on new trucks. Not the case here. I don't do that. We ain't got time to do it. Wireless remote. Hose and reel. We'll come back around here. Drawers look like they've really never been used or hardly used. $156 hours on the compressor. These front outriggers, downriggers, whatever you want to call them, they have to be down. They have sensors on them. For the bucket to work, they have to be down. I'm going to kick the PTO on, and we'll work the crane, and then we'll work the bucket. Emergency brake on, PTO switch on. Alright, let's put our outriggers back here on the back. Out, down. Driver's side down. Are out and down. Okay, to switch flow from your bucket to your crane and all that, here's a aerial bucket switch. Push this button here to switch over. All right, let's go ahead and work the crane first. Down. Extension out. Out. Extension in. Winch up. And obviously it does a lot more than that. I'm just showing you the basic functions on this thing. Down. Air compressor. So the start, let's see if the stop works, see if the start works. So the start works on the crane, remote, a lot of times it doesn't. All right, let's go power for the bucket. Up. Okay, to operate this, you pull this lever here and then just go whichever way you want to go while keeping that lever pulled back in the middle. Hard to do this and work the phone at the same time. Suspension extend out. And first stage there. Back down. Basket rotator here, side to side. Back down here. I will tell you, this lever right here sticks, so it does. This one here, a little sticky. Pistol grip is easier to use with holding the phone. That's not too easy to do, and try to show you on the phone what I'm doing. All right. So like I said, you pull this in the middle there and then work whatever function you want to work. This, the lower and raise, is kind of sticky. Pull the outriggers back up. Hours, engine hours, 2,600 engine hours, 1810 idle hours. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. We're now located in Lincoln, Alabama, probably 20 minutes from our old location. We're right beside the Talladega racetrack. If you're interested in coming and looking at this truck, just give me a call, set up an appointment. We're still here by appointment only. We're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4 only. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. That's the only payment methods we accept. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship this truck straight to your door. Probably going to be looking around $2 a mile to have this truck shipped. This thing's very heavy, obviously. It's a crane, a compressor, and a bucket. So this is a heavy truck. If you decide to go that route and have it shipped, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we'll do is post this thing on our dispatch board, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Lincoln going to Nebraska or New York or California, wherever you're at. We want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. You know, just keep in mind, if you're somewhere like California, if somebody leaves with a truck the moment you pay for it, you're still looking at 5 to 7 days to get it there. And that doesn't always happen. Sometimes we post them and people pick them up right away, and sometimes it takes a day or two to get them on a truck. So if you're one of the guys, you got to know the exact second someone's going to pick it up, the exact second they're going to pull up in your driveway. The only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person. I can't tell you that, but we've been doing this 10 years. I know it normally takes 3 to 7 days to get the truck. I guess that's about it. Really nice truck. Thanks for watching.